We are going to be making a Christmas swan using a painter stick. This Christmas swan will be easy to do. Grab your painter stick and a pipe cleaner. You're going to tie the pipe cleaner to the painter stick. Now I am going to be using tulle instead of mesh. You will cut each color of tulle 16 inches. This tulle is a little thicker than the tulle you would get from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, or any other fabric store. These tulles came from a local flower shop and they were on clearance. Take a piece of the tulle and fold it in a couple of times. Then add the clothespin to secure it. Grab the other side and fold a couple of times again. Now with both hands, grab the tulle with your fingers and bring the tulle towards you. When you meet with the clothespin, undo this side and use the clothespin to clip all of the tulle together. You would do this to all of the tulles until you have bundles of tulle. Grab a green, blue, pink, and combine all three together. You will repeat this until you have your colors in a bundle. When all three colors are bundled up, take 2 bundles and put them together to form a bigger bundle. You should have a total of 6 tulles in a bundle. Grab your first big bundle and attach it to the pipe cleaner. Make sure you tie the pipe cleaner tight so the tulle doesn't go anywhere. After tying down the first bundle, go and add 3 more pipe cleaners to the painter stick. As you can tell, I have already added all of the tulle bundles onto the painter stick. Because there was extra room, decided to add a gold bow in the middle that I made out of gold ribbon. On the top of the painter stick, you have a little space that is open. You will add another bow. This bow will be a smaller bow. The bow was created by using gold and silver ribbon. The making of the bows wasn't recorded because when it comes to bows, I am not the best, but I try to make them as best as I can. So add the bow and tie it down with the pipe cleaner. You will now start adding ornaments and greenery to the swag. After adding some ornaments and greenery, you can make some small bows and place them all over the swag. I am using a piece of gold and a piece of silver to create this small bow. Again, start adding ornaments, greenery, some pine cones, berries, and sparkling bones. When you get close to the bottom of the painter stick, it gets harder to add extra pipe cleaners. So what I did was placing the gold and silver bowls into place and using the staple gun, using the smallest size staples to staple the bowls into place. Then continue adding the ornaments, greenery, and etc. Make sure to fluff all of the tulle bundles and ribbons to make sure it stands out and be full. And this is the completed DIY swag. The colors stand out and makes the swag wreath stand out more than it did before. Using these colors make the swag wreath pop out.